Hi guys, thank you for joining me on my channel again. I know I need to start doing more face-to-face meetings and you're tired of just seeing my hands, but I still need to sort that out. For tonight, I just want to quickly share with you something that arrived here today that's got some interesting and exciting things that's lying ahead for us. So I received this TakeAlot box today and I obviously already opened it. But I wanted to share with you what is inside, and then you can see what is potentially coming on this channel and what I'll be discussing and reviewing and so forth. So this is just an unboxing of what is in here at the moment. So let's have a look. So first thing is you'll see that I've ordered a soldering station. This is for a project that I'm planning to do with where I'm gonna upgrade the strive blaster. I'm gonna mod it a little bit, and I need to replace the wiring inside. So that's what this is for. Exciting stuff lying ahead with that. Then next, I've gone with IMR battery. So now you can see where this is leading. This is an IMR charger from Nitecore. It's the new intelligent charger that prevents overcharging, and it's obviously a lot safer and so forth. So I want to take this in baby steps. My idea is let's first take the strive to IMR, see what that is all about, and then down the road I'll go LiPo. So this might be a bit of an expensive exercise for me, obviously, to first buy this charger and the corresponding IMR batteries and then go LiPo. But I felt that I had to take the journey. I had to share this with all of you that's watching, because not all of you can just go straight to LiPo or want to. I mean, maybe I find that these IMRs are good enough. Do I really need to go LiPo? So some questions there. But yeah, so I was very happy to find this on the TakeAlot store. Then I've got a GoPro Hero Session 4, and I needed the frame for it because mine is lost. So I ordered this, and my idea is that I want to mount this on one of my blasters and record some battle footage. So I ordered this, and there's some orders coming in the future still that hasn't arrived yet, which allows it to connect to a Picatinny rail and so forth. So exciting stuff coming with that as well. So I hope that you can see that I'm working towards building up this channel. I'm not just trying to do real simple episodes of blasters and so forth. I'm really trying to work on the content that I provide to you. And I would really appreciate if you guys give me some feedback. Up till now, my channel has been fairly dead. And I reckon that nobody's discovered it yet, or they find it pretty boring and so forth. But I really hope that the effort that I'm putting in, that people will see me and actually start to join my channel, and actually let's have a little community. Alright, so obviously to go with this GoPro, I had to order some SanDisk or SD cards for the GoPro. So this is a 64 gig. I looked at the 128 gig and so forth as well, and I figured that, listen, with the GoPro I can record in HD, 2K actually, for 3 hours using 64 gig, and I reckon that's more than enough. More than 3 hours worth of exercise for me will probably cause me to collapse. So 3 hours on 64 gigs is more than enough. Then this guy, this is all the goodies I need for the GoPro. And let me just get rid of this box. So let's just open it and see what's inside. Right, so you can see I've not even opened this at all. And this apparently contains all the different fittings and connections and things that I will need for my GoPro to have it functional. Now I'm not sure what the quality is like. We'll probably look at this more in detail in another episode. But again, I hope that you're seeing that I am investing time and money into this channel. Right, so that is all for the unboxing at the moment. Please guys, return, subscribe, and give me feedback. I am here to receive your feedback. And I'll see you next time. And hopefully it will be face to face and not just my hands. Cheers.